Tonight we're going to make fish, but it won't be this fish. It will be seared ahi tuna steaks. We are now going to flash fry ahi tuna. We have some thin slices of ahi tuna here. You could, this is high grade, you could almost have this as sushi, but we're going to flash fry it with fennel seeds. Fennel seeds have a wonderful flavor they add to the tuna. Let me show you how we're going to prepare this tonight. First we're going to take a little bit of salt and salt the tuna. Brings out the flavor. Then we're going to do something interesting with the fennel seeds. We're going to put the fennel seeds on some plastic wrap. And we're just going to really take out a piece of plastic wrap and toss fennel seeds all over it. Now, what's going to make the fennel seeds stick to the ahi tuna is going to be a little bit of lemon juice. So, you obviously need a lemon. And we'll squeeze a little bit of lemon juice onto both fillets here. Now these guys are ready to go onto the plastic wrap that's filled with fennel seeds. You'll notice if you have fennel seeds on both sides, as soon as you wrap this up, the fennel seeds are going to stick to the tuna fish, like so. Now, one thing about tuna is that it cooks very, very quickly. So you're going to get a very hot skillet. We're going to be using olive oil, and the whole tuna will cook in probably between 2 to 3 minutes. Now I've got a very hot skillet, and we're going to take our tuna fillets that now have lemon and fennel seed and put them in here. They will start going right away. Now, depending on how thick your fillets are, you can put a lid on if you want to shorten the cooking time a little bit. But generally, it's going to be somewhere between 30 seconds to a minute and a half on one side. You flip it over, do the same thing to the other side. When you cut into tuna fillets that are served, you still want to have a little bit of pink in the inside. You don't want it to be cooked all the way through. Use a little timer here. I think you're going to really love this, though. This can be served either as an appetizer before a main meal, or we're actually going to do it as a main meal. The sides we're going to have tonight are going to be fingerling potatoes and a side salad. One of the things about fish that I think everybody already knows is there are 3 important words: fresh, fresh, and fresh. The fresher your fish, the better the flavor and taste. So if you have a local fish store, fishmonger, that'd be the best place to get your fish. And these are all ready to flip over. Now, if you're not totally sure whether they're done inside, you can always cut a piece. In this case, the piece is split a little bit, and it looks to me like we are good to go. Turn those off. Okay, here we have our ahi tuna steak with a side of fingerling potatoes and a side salad.